I only did this to save my sister. Never again, Andy, will I become lightning strike.
Do what you want to me. What have I got to lose?
I should go check on Jessica. I've been here all day. Mom? I didn't know you were here. Thought you had work. Oh, that's good. I came here to talk about what happened yesterday. Jessica could have got it hurt. I just came out of my room to, talk about what happened yesterday. Jessica could have got it hurt, or worse. I mean, I'm glad she's okay, though. She could have got it hurt really badly. Hey, Andy, did the guy went to jail? Good. He deserved to go to jail after what he did. Things were so heated up yesterday. I'm glad everybody's okay. Things seem to have calmed down, and everything seems to be okay for now. Hey, Jessica, you been quiet. Are you okay? I'm glad you're okay, Jessica. And you're right, Andy. It's just a matter of time before things get bad again. Anyway, I should get back to what I was doing. It was good talking to y'all for once. Hey, Andy, can I talk to you for a second? You're good at computer stuff, right? Being a genius and all. You're good at that, right? Yeah, you're right. But, can you do a favor for me? Um, I'm gonna need you, spy on my sister, kind of. Just make sure she's okay, you know? Yeah, I know it sounds weird, but I don't want her to get hurt again. So, can you do that for me? I know it's weird, but I really appreciate it. Yeah, you were always there, unlike my father. So, is that a yes or okay, so I'm guessing that's a yes. Thank you, Andy. I really appreciate it. Oh, and about yesterday, I'm not gonna lie. Even though that was the first bad guy I fought, I thought it would be kind of hard, but it was really easy. I mean, he did have a gun to shoot at me, but it was just easy, you know? I did good even though it was my first time. I'm glad you think that, I guess. And don't get your hopes up. Like I said, this is only going to be like a one-time thing, something rare. Eh, anyway, I should go to sleep. I got school tomorrow. It was good talking to you, Andy. Hmm? Yeah, I guess I'll be a good hero. Anyway, good night. Oh gosh, I think I'm a little late. Oh, hey Josh. Yeah, I know. I know, Josh. But I accidentally slept in late after what happened yesterday. Didn't you watch the news? Some man called Armin Macefield attacked the mall and tried to rob it. My sister was there too. She could have got hurt until some dude that could shoot lightning or whatever stopped him. Yeah, I know, right? It was bad. I guess he's epic. Yup. We should hurry up and get to class. We're already running late. But seriously though, I was worried for Jessica for a second. Really? I'm glad you was worried about her too. Anyway, we should get back to class. We're both running late. Hello, Armin. We finally meet. I am the mastermind, Copycats. I come here to bargain. I can do you a favor and break you out. In return, you let me experiment on you. I know it sounds crazy, Armin, but do you really have a choice? Look around you, Armin. Look where you are. I'm the only person that you can trust. You get to have revenge on the lightning strike. The new lightning strike, I mean. You wouldn't stand a chance against the old one. Good. The door is unlocked. Come this way. Well, of course, this might hurt, but you'll be thankful in the end. Now everything is according to plan. Andy, you said you needed me? Is everything alright? Really? What is it? You mean Armin Macefield? The guy who... How did he break out of prison? He was only in there for a day. I mean, he's not nobody special after all. I'm sure the police can handle him. I mean, he just one guy. Wait, what? What do you mean by that? Something's going on, isn't it? He's gotten what? When did he get powers? I don't get it. It doesn't make any sense. But that means... Ugh, fine. I'll be lightning strike. I still don't know how to put that suit on. Yeah, I got your message. And it's over. This ends now. You wasted your time getting a new suit. It won't help you. Wait, what? Why isn't it working? Wait, what? Ah. Wait, you don't want to do this. Wait. Come on. Come on, Jill. Don't do this. Please. Armin, you don't want to do this. Please. Wait. Ah! 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 That's enough, Geo. Spare him. I have much more to torment him with. It would be a shame if he were killed. Geo, we have to go. The police can be here any minute. Besides, I have much more plans for him. Yes, he did get lucky this time. Now, let's go. Wait, what? Who was that guy? I gotta get out of here. The police can be here any minute. My sides hurt. No, I'm not okay. I just got whooped. Armin, I think his powers are like super strength or something. Ah, he. I tried to shoot him with lightning, but it had no effect. And then he just started beating me up and stuff. Oh, and another guy came along too. Yeah, another guy did came along. Yeah, he had like a hat on, and I think he wore a mask too with yellow eyes. He stopped Armin from killing me. I think he had like black shoes too and black pants. And I don't know. I think he said something about getting ready to torment me and stuff. How am I supposed to beat that? All I shoot is lightning. He has super strength. How am I supposed to beat that? I don't know how Dad was able to save the city like this. Wait, huh? What are you talking about? What do you mean? Like, more about my abilities? I don't understand what you're talking about, Andy, at all. Wait, really? My dad had super strength? But how, though? How was that possible? And how can I do it? I don't understand this. Oh, so I just need to focus. Oh, so I just need to focus. Okay, I think I can do that. Oh, oh. I don't think this is working. Maybe I just need to try again. I'm trying to. Okay, I'll try. This isn't working. Okay, I'll try one more time. Hey, it worked. I did it. I did it, Andy. Okay. It worked. Sorry about the punching bags. I destroyed them. But hey, it worked. Okay, good. Now, it's time that we stop Armin. Or, so what that guy called him, Geo. Andy, do you know where he is? Can you, like, find where he is? I mean, you are great with computers after all. Okay, good. It's time to stop him. Oh, and I'm taking this suit off. It's time that I put on this suit instead. I mean, this suit I'm wearing is good and all, but I really like another suit. Welp, I should suit up. Welp, this is the place. I'm not gonna lie, it was quite a long walk here. I should hurry up head in. It's kinda scary though. Not gonna lie. It's time to go in. It's over, Geo. I found you, and I'm taking you in. Yup, it's me. It's over, Armin. I'm taking you in. You're going back to jail. And not breaking out this time. I know I can stop you. Alright then, come down here. You know, I actually learned a new trick just for you. Wait, huh? Ah! Enough games, Armin. This ends now. Now I got this. It's over, Armin. You're defeated. I beated you. Like I said, it was a new trick I learned just for you. Now, enough games. Who was the man that you was working for? Who was he? Tell me. Do not make this difficult for yourself. Just tell me. Okay, since you want to be like that, I didn't think I had to do this to you. But you give me no choice. Huh? Now, talk. I'm gonna hit you even harder. Good. Now, who was he? What's his name? Copycat, huh? When I find him, I'll beat him next. I'll never beat him, huh? We'll see about that. I'll beat him just like I beated you. I took Armin down, or his villain name, Geo. Yeah, Eddie, I did a good job. But I found out about the other man, that was with Geo. Yeah, I know his name now. Well, he calls himself Copycat. Well, that's what Geo said. I should have asked for more information, but I was in the moment. I wasn't exactly asking him who Copycat was or where he could be. All I know, yeah, I guess. I don't want to be Linus Drake, but until we take this guy down, I'll make an exception. Okay, Andy, I will. But for now, my mind hasn't changed. Now it's your turn. Absolute Zero. Next episode. It's getting cold in here. Coming soon.